Hi, I'm Ryan Cowart with Humantech, Certified Professional Ergonomist, and today we're at the Humantech Manufacturing Corner for another installment of the product review series, talking about the Roemheld Modular Assembly Unit. Here with me today is David Vilcek of Roemheld. David, thanks for coming in.
Thank you very much, Ryan.
Yeah, so we can just kind of get right into it, start to unpack this a little bit more. What are we looking at right now? Can you kind of just describe it?
Well, this modular assembly unit here allows you to adjust the workpiece that you're trying to assemble and adapt it to the human to make it get it into an ergonomic and comfortable position for assembling.
Yeah, very good. So what are some of the features? Let's kind of play around with this a little bit more. I mean, what does this thing, what can do?
Well, it's really broken down in four major functions: to rotate, tilt, move, and lift. And so what we're showing here, this on is not part of one of our units. That's just an example autoclave.
Okay.
So this modular unit will allow you to rotate this direction. This one seen here will allow you to rotate the unit in this direction. And then both of those are bolted on top of the lifting modular unit, and that just allows you for height adjustability.
And it's also on wheels.
Yes, yes it is. Thank you very much. And it's also on wheels. And some of the other features not shown here is that you can get handles for driving the cart. It can be push or it can be powered. Everything seen here can be either electric or manually operated. We have a quick change interface that will allow you to, instead of unbolting, you can quickly release it and adapt it to a new assembly fixture. And we do customizations of all. We have telescoping units and even more robust. You can lift up to a couple tons.
So a lot of adjustability.
Yes,
So how did this even get conceived? I mean, where did you identify that there was a need for this?
Well, a lot of our customers would come to us asking for specialized machines for just this height adjustability and for manual assembly processes. So after designing so many specialized machines, we really wanted to make it modular and break it down to its core functionality. And so that's why we came up with rotating, lifting, tilting, and being able to move it. So that way it's much quicker to configure and more flexible.
Yeah, so by providing modularity, I guess you could say you're making it specific to whatever client chooses to get that type of feature.
Right, and it becomes more of a standard product instead of a special machine, and allows the user to easily build it themselves.
Yeah, very cool. So the last question I had, what are the three main benefits that companies or organizations would get from using this type of a device?
Well, Ryan, I could sum that up into three words. That's adaptability, accessibility, and flexibility. What I mean by adaptability is being able to adapt to the worker's height. That's where the lifting unit comes in. Accessibility is being able to reach an area that you can't normally get to. So we can rotate this for easier accessibility. And then flexibility is just being able to adapt the whole system to different workstations or work fixtures. And so that's why you can combine and mix these in different aspects to meet your needs.
Yeah, very cool. So it sounds like the sky's the limit for this type of a device.
It certainly is.
Yeah. So thanks very much for having us, for coming in and answering some of our questions about the product.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
So again, I'm Ryan Cowart with Humantech. This is the Roemheld Modular Assembly Unit. Thanks very much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.